Welcome. I'm taking on a challenge. Living frugally for a week, just like they did in the 90s. Can I stick to the budget and make it work? Frugal living in the 90s was a whole different ballgame. It was a simpler time to save money. Let's see how those habits hold up today. Join me as I try to embrace those old-school frugal habits and see if they can still make a big difference in today's world. In the 90s, people lived simply, with fewer temptations to spend, making it easier to save and focus on what they had. Fast forward to today, and the landscape is different. Modern life presents unique challenges to living a frugal lifestyle. The cost of housing, food, and transportation has skyrocketed, making it tough for many families to make ends meet and save money. We're constantly bombarded with ads and social media comparison, creating a desire for more that makes frugal living exhausting and expensive. Despite modern challenges, the simple, effective ways to live frugally from the 90s are still highly relevant today. Let's revisit them. DIY projects were huge. People made their own clothes, furniture, and home decor. It saved money and was a fun, creative outlet. Thrifting was another popular way to save. You could find amazing deals on gently used items, which also helped reduce waste. Meal planning and cooking at home were staples. Families planned their meals, made a list, and stuck to it, leading to healthier and cheaper eating. My grandparents taught me a lot about frugality. They lived through tough economic times, but always made ends meet. Their secret was resourcefulness. They grew their own garden, fixed their own cars, and made their own clothes. Every bit counted. They proved that with creativity and determination, anyone can live a fulfilling life, even on a tight budget. The benefits of frugal living go beyond just saving money. It's about a more intentional and mindful way of life. Frugal living means making intentional choices, reducing waste, and creating a more sustainable future for yourself and your family. By adopting these old-school habits, we can focus on what truly matters: our well-being, our relationships, and our time. Frugal living in the 90s was simpler, but the principles are timeless and can be applied effectively today. Embrace DIY projects, thrifting, and meal planning to live a fulfilling life on a budget. There's so much to learn from the past. If you've got a favorite frugal living tip from the 90s or today, share it with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.